Wondering how to pay the German visa fee? In this video, we'll guide you through the payment process for your German visa application. Let's break it down. 1.1. Visa fee overview. The German visa fee varies depending on the type of visa you're applying for. Short stay Schengen visa, €80 for adults, €40 for children aged 6 to 12 years. Long stay national visa, €75 for adults. Other visas. The fee may vary for specific visa types like student visas, work visas, or family reunion visas. 2. Payment methods. Here's how you can pay the visa fee. At the embassy or consulate. Most German embassies or consulates accept visa fee payments in person. The accepted payment methods typically include cash. Check if the embassy or consulate accepts cash payments and in which currency. Credit debit card. Some locations may accept credit or debit card payments. Confirm this option when scheduling your appointment. Bank transfer. In some cases, you might be required to pay the fee via a bank transfer before your appointment. You'll need to provide proof of payment. Online payment. Some German embassies or consulates offer online payment options through their websites. Check their official site or contact them for details on how to pay online. Payment process. Here's a step-by-step overview of the payment process. Step 1. Check payment options. Review the payment options available at your specific embassy or consulate. This information is usually available on their website or by contacting them directly. Step 2. Prepare payment. Depending on the method, ensure you have the required amount in the correct currency or prepare for online payment if available. Step 3. Submit payment. Follow the instructions provided by the embassy or consulate to complete your payment. If paying in person, bring the exact amount or card with you to your appointment. Step 4. Obtain receipt. After payment, ensure you receive a receipt or confirmation of payment. This document is important for your records and may be required for your visa application. 4. Refund policy. Non-refundable fee. Note that the visa fee is generally non-refundable, even if your visa application is rejected. Ensure that your application is complete and accurate to avoid any issues. 5. Additional tips. Check requirements. Always confirm the exact payment requirements and options with the embassy or consulate where you're applying, as procedures may vary by location. Early preparation. Prepare your payment method and amount in advance of your appointment to avoid any delays. 6. Conclusion. In summary, paying the German visa fee involves checking the accepted payment methods at your embassy or consulate, preparing the payment accordingly, and obtaining a receipt. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth application process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jobs Visa for more practical tips on applying for visas and living in Germany. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.